Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CAD by Nagendra. So in this video, we are going to create this part in SolidWorks. So let me enter into here, new part, let's say, okay. Now, so to create this part, as you can see, we are having here isometric view. And if you are considering, and if you are seeing from this side, so this is the front view. Upon that, we are having here top view. Then beside that, we are having here right side view. Now, first we can start here with this base. Just I will create this base step, and we need to make this extrude boss of total this width of 102 mm. Now, just I will go for front plane sketch. Then, just to make this sketch, I'll start from exactly origin. So from origin, I am considering as this point origin, one horizontal, vertical. Just we'll create this step. From here, we need one horizontal, then one vertical, then one more step here, like this. Let me create full, or is half profile we can create, we can make it mirror also, no issue with that. So just I'll create half section. To make mirror, we need one center line. I'll create one line for vertical construction purpose with infinite length with reference to this origin like this. Then just I'll go for mirror entitles. I need to make mirror of all these elements. We need to make mirror with reference to this. Let's say okay. Then by using smart dimension, just we'll give dimension. Total length we need here 216. This length we are having here 216. Then this width we are having here 102. This width we are having here 102. Then this gap we are having here 57. So this we need here 57. So if we make 102 on this, already 57 it is available. Then this vertical height, this step is 20 and total we need here 29. So this we need here 20. From bottom to top we are having here 29 like this. As you can see, fully defined sketch. Exit sketch, make it isometric. We need to make this extruded boss total width of 102 mm. Let's make it here 102 mm width, and let's say so base we have created. Then next to that we are having here this step, not from front side, from back side we need with width of 20 mm with this sketch. So for that, we are going to create sketch on this back side. From this phase, we'll go for sketch, make it normal. So from here, we need one line this. So to make it a closed profile, we need this line also. Instead of drawing one more, just I will convert this edge, convert entitles. Let's say okay. Then exactly from this end point, we need one inclined line. Go forward, come backwards. We need one curvature like this. Then again from here we are having one horizontal line here, then one more curvature. Just I'll make it off section. I will create one vertical construction with infinite length with reference to this origin. Just we can go for mirror. We need to make mirror of all these three with reference to this vertical. Let's say okay. Then add relation between curvature to line. We need here tangency. Then just we can give dimensions here. Dimension for this we are having total height of 96. From this to this we are having here height of 96. Radius for this curvature we are having 38. Radius for this we need 38. Then center point to center point horizontal dimension we are having 76. Dimension between these two we need here 76. As you can see, fully defined sketch. Exit sketch, make it isometric. We need to make this extrude boss in reverse direction. We need only here width of 20 mm. Let's give this width of 20 and let's say okay. Like this we are able to create this part. Then next to that, this step we need to create. So if you are seeing from side view, we are having one horizontal, inclined and vertical line with these dimensions, and we need only material with the thickness of 20 mm exactly at center. So in such conditions, we need to create sketch on exactly at center. As we already maintained origin system at center, directly we can go for sketch on this right plane. Whatever the sketch we will draw here, we will get exactly at center. So on this right plane, we will go for sketch. Make it normal. Just we need one somewhere from here, one horizontal line, one inclined line straight to this, then one vertical line up to here. So no need to close that, just we can create one open profile. Then this height we are having 15. This height we need here 15. Then from this to this we are having height of 30. From this to this height we need here 30. Then dimension from this to this we are having 20. Just directly for this horizontal line we can give here 20. Then exit sketch, make it isometric. We need to add material with a thickness of 20 by using single open profile. In such conditions we can go here with rib option. Material should be added in downside direction with width of 20 mm. Let's say okay. Properly that material will be added here like this. Then next to that we'll go for this extra features. It is on front view. So directly from this space we can go for sketch, make it normal. Directly we can create here two circles exactly center point of this like this. Again here also two circles, or else again we need to create reference line and we can make it mirror. Then relation between outer circle to outer circle we need equal. Inner circle to inner circle also we need equal. Then dimension for these circles, for this outer circle we are having 38 diameter, for inner one 20. So this is 38, this is 20. If we are having this whole up to next, separately we could have made with whole option, but here removal of material is there only how much we are going to add material with thickness of 10. So at a time we can draw two circles. Exit sketch, isometric. We need to make this extrude boss of only 10 mm. Let's say okay. Properly material will be added and removed as we can see in dotted lines here. Then now all addition of material done, everything done. Then we'll go for dress up features. Only for these two edges we are having radius of 30 fillet. Fillet we want for this edge and this edge with radius of 30. Let's say okay. Then at last we can go here with holes. So here we are having counter bore hole. Now counter bore hole dimensions we are having. Outer circle dimension we are having diameter of 38 with a depth of 10 mm. Normal hole diameter we are having 20. Depth should be up to next. Just we need exactly center point of this radius 30 curvature. Now we need one hole wizard. Let's see hole. We need here counter bore hole. Counter bore diameter we are having 38. Counter bore depth we are having here only 10 mm. So this depth we need 10. Normal hole diameter 20. Depth up to next. Go for position from this face exactly center point of this curvature here. Later we can make it mirror, or else at a time we can go on curvature. We are able to find the center point. We can select there. As you can see, we got fully defined. Let's say. So properly counter bore hole will be created. So by using Ctrl+1, I'll make it here front view, and Ctrl+5 we can see from top view, and Ctrl+4 we can see right side view, and Ctrl+7 we can make it isometric. So just we'll apply some color for this. Mouse right click on this part, go for appearance. For this particular part you can apply whatever the color we want to apply. Let's say. So in this way we are able to create this part in SolidWorks. So I hope you have understood the way how we need to create this particular part designs. So if you have any doubts regarding this, please let me know in comment box. And if you feel this video is informative, Please like the video and share to your friends. And if you want to give any suggestions for me to improve, please all are welcome in comment box. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting.